We have just arrived at our beautiful Airbnb. So, thought we would give you a tour. This is, so far, one of my favorite places we've stayed in, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very beautiful. I really liked the Copenhagen Airbnb.
Copenhagen was great.
Even the one in Tabernacle, Colorado, even though it was kind of weird, it was cool.
Yes, that was weird but cool.
Anyways, this is like a full house, basically. Here I am, looking very rough after our red eye. So this is the first floor. How cute! Seems like it's dog friendly.
Show me the old courtyard.
Yes. So cute. We have a kitchen. We're going to be going grocery shopping so that we can not spend too much money on food, but we're only here for a day.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll get snacks.
Yeah, we'll see.
We do have some restaurant recommendations though. The best thing about staying in Airbnbs though, one of the best things at least, is that there's a kitchen, because then you can save money on food and they have everything that you could possibly need. And I think this place was still like $100 a night. Less than 100 even. Wow. I actually haven't been my hair is such a mess. It's raining out today. We actually haven't been upstairs yet. So I have to go check this out. But I will have my Airbnb code linked down below. Not sponsored. Avery and I just get credit if you guys use our code, and you guys get $40 off your first trip on Airbnb as well. So I'll have a link down below in case anyone wants to travel. Wow, this is so nice. Natural lighting. Incredible. Loving it.
Aww. Stealing the camera shot real quick.
Okay.
What is that building back there? Those beautiful blue doors. Do you see them?
Yeah. Oh. This looks better in person than it did online.
It's always a good thing.
Yeah. The shower. Don't know where the light is, but you get the idea. Is that locked? Sometimes they do that in Airbnbs.
It's probably her room.
Yeah.
I just honestly didn't know.
So cute.
I got it once, we'll get it again. What did I?
No, I haven't used my head.
Short 5-minute walk to the National Gallery. Squashing a bug. That's a Warriors coat. Oh my gosh, what should I eat on camera? Hardest decision of my life. Another vlog, not mine, yours. A lot of filming today. A lot of good food today. Oh my goodness.
I was starting to get very jet lagged, and I didn't want any food, but this is good.
I'm doing pretty good with jet lag. One of the videos we watched before Ireland was talking about how not to expect much from the food. It's hearty, it's good, you just gotta know what to expect. Food, Ireland, crushing it, killing it. Love you for it.
It'd be a nice breakfast, perhaps, for us to get on our way. Good morning, you guys. We are actually packing up to leave Dublin now, and we're going to pick up a rental car and drive to Galway. I think we might get some breakfast beforehand. I'm trying to pack our suitcase. Maybe it was a bit stupid to unpack for just one night, but it's so nice to have all your stuff unpacked, you know? I feel like our sleep is doing okay. We went to bed around 10 something, I think. I was so surprised I was able to stay up that long. I was very tired toward the evening yesterday, but feeling pretty good. It's like 9:30 a.m. right now. So, still have a good day ahead of us. Hopefully it can stop raining, but if it doesn't, it'll be okay. It sort of like misted all day yesterday, but it wasn't an issue at all. And a lot of people keep commenting and being like, you guys came here when it's so cold, but it's warmer than New York, so it's so nice actually to not feel like you need a million layers to be able to survive outside. It's also not too windy. I expected it to be a lot more windy, but Dublin's been super fun. We've had a ton of great food when we were here, all from your guys' recommendations. And yeah, I'm really excited to go to Galway though, because a lot of you said that you like Galway a lot more. And we're gonna be driving there, so hopefully we can see all of the pretty scenery that Ireland has to offer. So I'm dressed super cozy today. Hopefully Avery's not mad I put on his shirt. He won't be mad, but I'm always stealing his stuff. And then my television tee, I put on some hoops. He's in the shower right now. I just didn't feel like washing my hair. I don't want to go outside with wet hair, you know? And then some jeans, and then, I don't know, either my boots or Air Force Ones, but it's so nice waking up to natural light coming into your room. Oh, the best thing ever. Your mood is just instantly good. Gotta get out of my cave of an apartment, and I know this place is so much cheaper than mine. It's like a 2-floor house. We're now saying goodbye to this lovely place. All packed up, and we're gonna go pick up our rental car. I am a bit nervous, but it should be good. Just look at the prior park job on our rental car. It's so close to everything. Like right there. He's gonna pull it out. So, we ended up having to go through another rental car place. We basically called Budget a few days ago and confirmed that we could pick up at Budget because of us being under 25. And they booked everything for us, said it was all good, but then we got there and they were like, no. What is it? Yeah. Anyways, they let us book. They said, yeah, no problem at all. And then we got there and they were like, no, you can't do this. After we like took a taxi there and everything with all of our stuff. It was fine though. They got us sorted with another car rental place. This place is actually a bit cheaper. They just put like a decent size hold on your card while you have the car, which is why a lot of people don't go with them. Hopefully that's the only issue. But yeah, we're gonna try to get some food. This has delayed our travels a couple hours, but hopefully it'll be good. Okay.
Lift going up.
Finally getting in our car.
Here we go.
I'm glad we stopped and ate though.
Yeah, food was really good.
Fourth floor. Doors opening.
Yeah, it's slippery. Be careful. I've almost fallen multiple times. Quit. What are your first impressions?
I was about to start talking. This is really fun. Not nearly as difficult as I thought. I was really scared to get dropped off in the middle of the city.
Yes.
Our car rental place wasn't originally in the middle of the city. It was out west, and we would just drive west straight to Galway. But, of course, did you explain all the...
I think I started to explain it.
We can talk about it later, of course. But we were dropped off in the middle of the city at our new car rental place, and it's really intuitive and just super fun because it's so juttingly different.
But also similar.
Yeah,